Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a vegetable that's often overlooked but is a true powerhouse of nutrition, the humble cabbage. You see it everywhere, from coleslaw at summer barbecues to hearty winter stews. But do you really know how amazing it is for your health? Let's uncover the incredible benefits of adding more cabbage to your diet. First, a little history. Did you know cabbage has been cultivated for thousands of years? It originated in the Mediterranean region and was prized by ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans not just for food, but for its medicinal properties. From kimchi in Korea to sauerkraut in Germany, cultures all around the world have embraced this versatile veggie, and for good reason. So, what makes cabbage so special? For starters, it's packed with essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Just 1 cup of chopped cabbage gives you a significant portion of your daily recommended intake. Think of it as your secret weapon during cold and flu season, helping your body fight off infections and stay healthy. It's also loaded with vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and, as we'll see later, bone health. And let's not forget about fiber. Cabbage is full of it. This high fiber content is fantastic for your digestive system. It helps keep things moving smoothly, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. A happy gut is linked to better overall health, from improved mood to a stronger immune response. So eating cabbage is like giving your digestive tract a helpful boost. But the benefits don't stop there. Cabbage is also a heart-healthy food. The fiber can help lower bad cholesterol levels, and it contains compounds called anthocyanins, the same ones that give red, cabbage, its vibrant color, which have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect your cardiovascular system. Speaking of inflammation, cabbage is a natural anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases. So incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like cabbage into your diet can help keep your body in balance and reduce your risk of developing these conditions. You're watching your weight? Cabbage is your best friend. It's incredibly low in calories but high in water and fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied without overeating. You can eat a large portion of it without worrying about your calorie count, making it a perfect addition to any weight management plan. Snack on it raw, add it to salads, or bulk up your meals with it. Let's talk about bone health. We mentioned vitamin K earlier, and it's essential for strong bones. Vitamin K helps activate proteins that are responsible for bone formation and mineralization. A diet rich in vitamin K can help maintain bone density and may reduce the risk of fractures as you get older. Cabbage also has detoxifying properties, contains compounds that support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Your liver works hard every day to filter out toxins from your body, and giving it the right nutrients from foods like cabbage helps it function optimally. It's like a gentle, natural cleanse for your system. Now, are there any downsides? Like with any food, moderation is key. Because of its high fiber content, eating a very large amount of cabbage, especially if your body isn't used to it, might cause some bloating or gas. This is usually temporary as your digestive system adjusts. If you have any thyroid issues, it's a good idea to speak with your doctor, as large quantities of raw cabbage could potentially interfere with thyroid function in some individuals. Finally, for all you gardeners out there, here's a quick tip for growing your own. Cabbage is a cool weather crop. It thrives when planted in the spring or fall. It prefers well-drained soil and consistent moisture, so be sure to water it regularly, especially during dry spells. There's nothing more rewarding than harvesting a crisp, fresh head of cabbage from your own garden. So there you have it, the incredible, versatile, and super healthy cabbage. It's affordable, delicious, and offers a huge range of benefits for your body. Next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past it. Pick one up and start exploring all the amazing ways you can enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.